nutrition in living things is mainly of two types. One, autotrophic nutrition, and two, heterotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, trophic means feeding. So, the nutrition in which the organisms prepare their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, green plants and some bacteria. The second one is heterotrophic nutrition. The nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for their food is called heterotrophic nutrition. Example, animals and certain plants like cuscuta. Now let us see nutrition in plants in detail. Plants prepare their own food using simple inorganic materials like water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. This process is called as photosynthesis. Plants absorb the water by their roots and they get the carbon dioxide by the stomata present on the underside of the leaf, and they harvest the sunlight by the surface of their leaves. Now let us see the equation of photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. From this equation, we can understand that carbon dioxide and water reacts in presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll and finally produces glucose and oxygen. Now let us know about the location and mechanism of photosynthesis. We all know that leaf is the site of photosynthesis, but exactly where does it take place inside the leaf? Let us look at the cross section of the leaf. These are the parenchyma cells of a leaf. They have many green-colored plastids called as chloroplast. Chloroplasts are also present in large number in the guard cells of stomata. Chloroplast is the exact place where the photosynthesis takes place. Now let us look at the mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a very complex process, but here we are simplifying it to 3 steps. Step number 1. Chlorophyll molecules present in the chloroplast absorbs the sunlight and gets activated. Step 2. The light-activated chlorophyll splits the water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is called photolysis. Now, step 3. The hydrogen ions produced in step 2 helps in the reduction of carbon dioxide into glucose. That means the carbon dioxide is converted to glucose. The glucose that is produced in the photosynthesis is converted to starch and stored in the plant tissues. We have seen how plants make carbohydrates like glucose. But how do plants make proteins? Plants make proteins with the help of nitrogen. We know that nitrogen is present in the air. This atmospheric nitrogen gets converted to soil nitrates by some special bacteria called as nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Then, these soil nitrates and nitrates are absorbed by the plants by their roots. By using these nitrites and nitrates, plants make proteins. This is all about nutrition in plants.